Sup man, today is the 25th, Friday, July. I'm already in this trade going up. Why I got in, we ran the lows. This low, the pre-market lows basically, before the 3:30 opening. That's why I'm in this trade. I'm not sure if it's gonna play out or what, but just because we're running the lows, I'm targeting the opposing liquidity this high basically. I wanna see price reach here. So I don't know if we're gonna make it there or what, but I might just go with that narrative and see what we do. And even with the 3:30 we can come back to check out the lows again. I would get stopped out on this. As I said, like, I'm already in this trade. I don't want to break even because price might take you out and go in your direction. So I would, if it pushes to this high, that's when I would want to break even. If not, I guess I might just take a loss. Like I said, when I get into a trade, there's two things that I'm ready for. It's like taking an L or a W. That's the two things I'm looking for. So I got in this trade. Whatever happens, happens. An L, it's a lesson. A W, it's a win. So that's what it is. We took out the lows. Hence why I got my stop just below the low. And now we're reacting from this minor high. Anything could happen. This high could reverse price to my stop loss, but I'm ready for anything, considering the fact that it's Friday, man. It's crazy. Friday is crazy. And I took some losses, man. The day before yesterday and yesterday I took some heavy losses. So if I back this one, my account will be at break even. So I'm looking to back it. If not, that's what it is. We'll see next week. We'll keep trying again next week. Like I said, I'm documenting my trades. I'm learning from my losing trades. That's what it is. You know what it is? C-long follow trades. Though I don't like how price is stalling out here. So the opening might be crazy. I don't like how price is stalling there. But the fact that we took the lows, I think we will go for the highs. That's my narrative right there. I don't like how we've been stalling here, bro. Like, I don't like that. I don't like that, how we've been stalling. And we got a reaction from this level. It will be a thing. If we push lower, it will be a thing that we were taking this internal high, going for external low. So that will be crazy. If we make to this low, That will be crazy, but the opening can do anything, bro. The opening can do anything. So see, looks like it wanna go for the lows. If we go for the lows, then I'ma just take a loss. Let's wait and see. Let's just wait and see. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell and tune in. See, it came to my entry. Came to my entry. Will it go for my stop? That will be crazy. I wouldn't wanna see that though, and boom. That's 330 openings, going for my stop. And just like that, we've been tapped out, and fucking heck, look at that. Going for highs. Are you getting back in? That's like risking one. That's crazy, dog. I got back in, bro. If it takes me out again, then that will be it. Going for highs. See, it came back again to this low, retaking and stopped me out, and I got back in again. I wanted to see it coming to these highs. If it does not, then that will be an F up. I think I need to break even, bro. Okay, just let it do what it wants to do. Had I broke even, it would have stopped me out. Already took a loss of $97. That's close to $100. That's 1% of the account. That's crazy. Oh man, you see, getting before the session open, I don't like that, bro, but I saw an opportunity. I thought it was a good one, and I got banned from it. I got hurt from it. So that's what it is.